Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Savage Guilford, or near Columbia, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Severn, Elk Ridge, Baltimore Washington Airport, Historic Ellicott City, Glen Burnie, Ellicott City, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Milford Mill, Laurel, Arbutus, Ferndale, Brooklyn Park, Fort Meade, Savage Guilford, Humphrey, Skaggsville, Ilchester, and Linthicum. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.